Tell me about the Orca. This is incredible.
What do you want to know?
I want to know how it came to pass. I want to know about your love for Jaws. I want to know why you built the darn boat. Are you a boat builder by trade?
Yes, I am.
Okay,
Yes.
so tell me, what is this based on?
This is a 1964 Vinnie Kavanagh lobster picnic boat, and he built a couple of these, but this was more or less the same hull shape as the boat that was used in Jaws, the base boat that they used. And
So-
I went looking for this, right? I looked at a lot of boats before I bought this one.
This is the classic scene.
This is it. This is the lamp
This is it right here.
when Brody comes in for the thing. He hits his head on the
Right.
lamp like that, and he comes in and it's the
Here it is.
yeah. And he's the. When I was building this, I made sure you could get your leg up like this. See that?
That's good.
Scoop right round there.
Right? That is awesome.
All of this stuff is really hard to find because everybody has gone Jaws crazy. You can't. That stove, the clock. It's as close as I could get it because I actually worked for a living. I'm bringing it here, and it's not going to cost anybody a dime to see it right. This is for the fans. This is because I'm a fan, and I know if I couldn't afford to go, if this was here and it wasn't mine, and I couldn't afford to go to see it, it would break my heart.